Well, at long last, we've actually started to get some work done on the Downton. The thing that was holding us up was the fact that the wiring, we put in a new wiring loom, and then like everybody else, we looked at all these bullet connectors and had no idea where they went. So we've been slowly but surely piecing them together, and now we've been enjoying a bit of a breakthrough. We've got this stage. We've got the headlamps in, which you can see. We've been messing about with the indicators. We've got all sorts of stuff going on, so I'll just give you a quick tour of that and let you see what we've actually done. Okay, so we've got stuff sticking out the wiper motor. Not sure where that's going. We've got lots of lovely wiring. There's our meter. We've put in a kill switch here because we want to protect the car. So all the headlamp wiring is under there. Headlamps going in. Indicators are proving a little troublesome. Oh, we've got a whole load of stuff going on in there. We've just wired in the column stalk and that's all working fine. Horn's working, we know that. We've made a firewall in there, and Will's currently got the parcel shelf out, which is being retrimmed. There is the mammoth fuel tank all fitted. Our beautiful, which actually came off a Lotus, this petrol cap, so that's cool. Rear lights are in. And yeah, really going well. We're going to have loads more coming up about the Downton, so why not subscribe to the channel and not miss a thing. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks again, see you soon.